morning. It's the 15th of December. This is our early morning update here on a Thursday. Looking at the markets overnight, we have some certain markets with some dramatic moves. We'll look at those. Let's just say the main thing happening right now, the large movement, the dollar is sharply, right now the dollar is sharply higher. You've got that market up 125. They're attributing that to the rise in the hike in the Fed funds rate, the discount rate yesterday that took place. Everyone expected it, no surprises, but the market is having a reaction overnight to that. I mention that because that can have an effect on other commodities. So we want to watch that throughout the day. We also have precious metals down quite a bit. You'll see that in just a minute as we get into the quotes. Global stock markets are surprisingly enough mixed. You've got Asia mostly lower, but Europe is higher, and the U.S. is down a good bit, lower than we've been at any morning since the election. So let's just go straight to the markets. Cotton's down a small amount, down 5 at 71.42. It's been moving back and forth between unchanged. Just currently it's down some. The high is 71.65. The low is 71.32. That's a 33-point range. Very, very tight. Very quiet. Soybeans in March down a penny and a half at 10.33. The high 10.37 3/4. The low 10.28 3/4. March corn down a penny and a quarter at 3.60 3/4. A high of 3.62, a low of 3.60. March wheat down 2 3/4. Trading right now at 4.15 1/4. A high of 4.18 1/4 and a low of 4.14. Rice is down 3. We've got gold. Well, let's go to the dollar. Up 124. Crude oil up 6 cents at 51.10 in January crude. Not much happening there. Gold down $32 an ounce. That's a big move. You've got silver almost down $1 an ounce, and that's at 16.26. And the S&P futures are down 2, so down some. Not a dramatic move. I had thought S&P was down more than that earlier. So the announcement of the hike in Fed funds rate came yesterday at 1 o'clock. The market was still open in most of these markets and didn't have this kind of reaction. Just having a chance to think about it overnight seems to have caused this to happen. Looking at the calendar for today, we've got at 7:30 our export release, so our E3 weekly market report will come out at 7:30. But other things on the calendar today, Thursday's always busy. CPI comes out along with initial jobless claims at 7:30, real earnings at 7:30, EIA gas storage at 9:30, and for those people that watch soybeans, the crush number comes out at 11 o'clock. So that's it. Join us at 7:30 or right after 7:30 for our weekly E3 weekly market report. Thank you. Have a good day.